Hi, this is Aditya from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 14th February, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and PI to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. Today's 5 news headlines are: Protesting farmers want MSP law. How would such a guarantee work? PM Modi inaugurates Bharat Mart in UAE, all about India's mega project. ED initiates enquiry against Paytm Payments Bank, says report. How bad is Pakistan's debt crisis and can the IMF save it? Ex-influencers making money with misinformation blame it on Elon Musk's new paid verification system? Protesting farmers want MSP law. How would such a guarantee work? Protesting farmers from Punjab are set to reach the national capital with key demands to the centre to bring in a law guaranteeing minimum support prices or MSP. Economists largely believe that it is better to give farmers income instead of price support. That would mean transferring a fixed sum of money annually into their bank accounts, whether on a per farmer or a per acre basis. But price support can be a useful tool for promoting crop diversification. Both Madhya Pradesh and Haryana have demonstrated the feasibility of delivering MSP to farmers at least in some crops other than rice, wheat, and sugarcane. One reason they have been able to do this is because of the already created infrastructure and systems for farmer registration in these states. PM Modi inaugurates Bharat Mart in UAE, all about India's mega project. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on February 14 inaugurated Bharat Mart, a warehousing facility for Indian MSMEs in Dubai. The purpose of Bharat Mart is to offer a unified platform for exporters to showcase their varied range of products under a single roof. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that Bharat Mart has the potential to play an important role in promoting exports of the micro, small, and medium sectors of India by providing them an effective platform to reach out to international buyers in the Gulf, West Asia, Africa, and Eurasia. PM Modi addressed the Indian community in the UAE at Ahlan Modi, an event organized in his honor by the Indian community in the UAE. ED initiates enquiry against Paytm Payments Bank report. The Enforcement Directorate initiated its enquiry against Paytm Payments Bank. The investigating agency had first sought more information from the RBI, which ordered the Paytm Payments Bank to wind down much of its business by February 19, citing persistent and serious supervisory concerns. The RBI, which has received several queries and clarifications on the issue of Paytm Payments Bank, reiterated that it will issue a list of FAQs soon on this issue. RBI governor emphasizes to wait for the FAQ. In that FAQ, all the problems faced by the customers are addressed. The company's management says it is committed to drive sustainable business growth while adhering to a regulatory and compliance framework. How bad is Pakistan's debt crisis and can the IMF save it? Negotiations on a new government in Pakistan have allayed immediate fears of instability in the nation following inconclusive elections last week, but the risk of a full scale economic crisis remains. A $3 billion program from the International Monetary Fund runs out next month, and securing a new and much bigger one is widely seen as the priority for the new administration. The largest party, the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, secured support on Tuesday from the second biggest, the Pakistan People's Party, and is trying to persuade it to form a majority coalition. Pakistan's foreign exchange reserves stand at roughly $8 billion, which barely covers 2 months of essential imports, although it is an improvement from the $3.1 billion they were down to just over a year ago. A combination of tax and gas tariffs, hikes, and a steep fall in the rupee currency have pushed inflation up to nearly 30% year on year. Are ex influencers making money with misinformation? Influencers on X are monetizing misinformation about conflicts in the Middle East, leveraging the platform's contentious policies that researchers say prioritize engagement over accuracy. Since Elon Musk's acquisition of X, formerly Twitter, the site has restored thousands of once banned accounts and introduced a paid verification system that critics say has boosted conspiracy theorists. X has seen a lot of falsehoods about the ongoing war between Israel and the Palestine militant group Hamas, fueled partly by prominent US influencers such as Jackson Hinkle, who last month falsely claimed a video showed Iran bombing American military bases in the Iraq, while Yemen's Houthi rebels have targeted Israel with missiles and drones. Neither they nor the country's internationally recognized government has formally declared war. We will be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT and personal interview, B school deadlines, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.